Welcome back to the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra freezes or the touchscreen is not responding. There is a button combination that will trigger a soft reset, and it will just simply force the watch to turn off, turn back on, and it should fix any issues you're having. All right, we're going to hold down on the home button here and this button here, and you're going to feel a little vibration. You're going to continue to hold those buttons. And there you go. Just a couple of seconds. I want to say that was about 5 to 10 seconds. And it basically will shut the whole watch off, turn it back on again, and it should fix whatever glitch you were having with the software. And you should be good to go. Now, if this did not fix it, the next step I would recommend is for you to take your watch to a service and repair center and have them diagnose it. There could be a crack in the glass. Usually if there's an issue with the touchscreen, that's what would cause it to glitch out. And so visit a cell phone repair shop and see if they can diagnose the touchscreen for you. And if all else fails, Samsung.com and go to their web support, and you can talk to someone about your options from there. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, bump that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.